Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change selfie video size in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for this option and how to change it. We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Advanced Features here, and Screenshots and Screen Recorder. And right here we have our selfie video size. We can make it smaller, we can make it bigger, everything in this menu. No need to save, just back out from this menu, and now it's has been changed. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.